Hello, how to solve for x in this equation 8 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x is equal to 30. Solution. Then here, 8 raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 30. Now, if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn, and this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. This can be written as 2 raised to power 3x multiplied by 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 30. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 3x plus 2x is equal to 30. Then here is 2 raised to power 5s is equal to 30. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 2 raised to power 5s is equal to log 30. Now we have 5s log 2 is equal to log 30. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by log 2. This divided by log 2. Log 2 cancel log 2. 5s is equal to log 30 divided by log 2. Thirty is equal to 15 multiplied by 2. Then 5x is equal to log 15 multiplied by 2 divided by log 2. And this is same thing as log 15 plus log 2 divided by log 2. 5s is equal to log 15 divided by log 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. This is same thing as 5s is equal to log 3 multiplied by 5 divided by log 2 plus 1. Five x is equal to log 3 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 plus 1. 5x is equal to log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus 1. S is equal to, if you divide both sides by 5, this divided by 5, we have log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus 1 over 5, and this is the final answer. Let's check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 8 raised to power s multiplied by 4 raised to power s is equal to 30. So this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 5s is equal to 30. Then we have 2 raised to power 5 bracket log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus 1 divided by 5 must be equal to 30. Now here, this cancel this. Here is 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus 1 must be equal to 30. And this can be written at, if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Then this is 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 is 2. If you have b raised to power log c base b, this is equal to c. And if you have s raised to power log y base s, this is equal to y. And here, this can be written as the whole of this is 3 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 multiplied by 2. Everything must be equal to 30. Now, this is 3 times 5, we have 15 multiplied by 2 must be equal to 30. 50 times 2, this is 30, is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.